In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF is missing or not working in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until the best match should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on open to continue, or you can simply double tap under the best match, and in that way you would be able to bring up the control panel window. So in a while you would be navigated here. Please change the view into large icons. So by that, navigate to the upper right side of the screen, click on large icons. Once set, you need to navigate with the programs and features, which is in my case it is being placed at the first column next to mail. Click on it, and from here, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see an option like this. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the option called Turn Windows Features on or off. So from here, you can bring up a window or a small window where you can enable or where you can disable the Windows features. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list and locate with Microsoft Print to PDF. So the factor or the reason, one of the factor why you face an error is that you have unchecked it. So it is very crucial to check it. So check the box here, click on OK, and wait for some time until it would be finished. Once done, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to the next method, and that is here again at the button search bar. This time, please type for services. Once you've typed it, you need to proceed with the best match. Click on open to continue. And from here, you need to navigate with the services named Print Spooler. So select any of the services, type P in the keyboard so that you would be able to easily navigate it to the Print Spooler, which is here next to power. So by that, make a right click, go with properties, and you would be able to bring up this small window. So this small window is very crucial because you need to make sure that the startup type is set into automatic, because one of the reason why you face an error is that you have disabled such. So click on this down arrow key and go with automatic. And if the service status has been stopped, let's say for example, you have stopped the service, it will mark stopped here. So click on start to start the service. And once you have ensured that the service status is running, please click on apply, click on OK. Once done, navigate to the left pane where you can see this kind of window. Click on, option, restart the service. Okay, once you're good, close the window and try to check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And from here, you need to proceed with the second option called devices to bring up the devices settings. So please scroll down on the list and locate with the option called related settings. And please choose for more devices and printer settings. Now here, you need to ensure check if the Microsoft Print to PDF has been present here or is now showing here under the printers. I'm sure it will be showing or working this time on. So close the window and you're good to go. Hopefully those steps help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.